As a real estate business owner, I use 99 acres to receive new leads for my business. And here I wanted, whenever I receive a new lead through my 99 acres account, instantly a personalized WhatsApp message like this should be sent to my lead immediately. So now here manually sending WhatsApp messages immediately was kind of impossible thing. That's where I automated this entire process of capturing new leads from 99 acres and then sending a personalized WhatsApp follow-up message like this to my lead with a personalized name. And here I've set up this connection using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. Here I've connected my 99 acres account with my WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. You can use another WhatsApp communication platforms as well, such as Wati, Interact, WhatsApp AI Sensi or WhatsApp Cloud API as well. So now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I've got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. Make sure to use this coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code because this is going to give you huge amount of discount. Alright, for your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. So let me add it. It says when a new lead comes in from 99 acres, send a WhatsApp message via Pabbly Chatflow. After analyzing my request, it is asking which 99 acres trigger should start this workflow. So let's select new leads and for Pabbly Chatflow, select send text message. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received a workflow link. So with this, we have successfully set up a workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says to this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here we have selected app and the app event and we have received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our 99 acres with Pabbly Connect. So it says to automate your lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your 99 acres account. Reach out to your account manager from 99 acres. Your integration will be activated by the 99 acres team within a week's time. Once they activate the subscription, you will start receiving the lead information in your webhook response below. So basically, you need to copy this webhook URL and send it to the backend team of your 99 acres account in order to set up the webhook inside your account. Once the setup is done, you are going to receive all your leads inside Pabbly Connect's workflow over here. Alright, for now I'm going to copy the webhook URL and I'm going to send it to my backend team in order to receive a dummy response over here. So let's wait for some seconds. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the dummy leads number, name and email address. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Once we have received a new lead through our 99 acres, we are going to send instant WhatsApp message to this lead via Pabbly Chatflow, which is an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. Again, I would like to mention over here that you can use any other WhatsApp communication platform, that is WhatsApp by SNC, WhatsApp Cloud API, Wati or Interact Connect as well. Okay, so we're going to build a new connection over here, and it is asking for a token. So to get the token, we're going to click on this hyperlink available over here, and it will direct you to the All Pabbly Apps window. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chartflow by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow. So here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chartflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. So to get the token, click on the settings, select API and webhooks, and this is the API token. We are going to copy it and then we are going to add it over here. Click on the save button and you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for a respond WhatsApp mobile number. Here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here, instead of entering the leads number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive a new lead through a 99 acres, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter /post, and here we are going to map the number. This is the phone number, and then comes the WhatsApp message. So I need to enter the message that I want to send to my lead whenever I receive a new lead through my 99 acres account. So let me add it. Alright, so this is the WhatsApp message, and here in the place of name I'm going to map my lead's name over here. Also, I've used asterisks before and after some text to make that text particularly bold. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp message. Let's move forward. Here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. For the keys, I'm going to turn on this map button, and then we are going to leave this field blank because I don't want to add any keys over here. After adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. But before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. Let me add mine. Alright, after adding the number, we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new message on my WhatsApp number. Let's go and check it. And you can see a new message has been received over here, this time with the name Hi Smart User, and this is exactly the same message. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as 99 acres and action as Pabbly Chartflow, which is all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So that we're going to receive a new real estate lead through 99 acres. Instantly, a new message on the WhatsApp will be sent to our lead with a personalized name using Pabbly Chartflow. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to automatically send WhatsApp messages to new real estate leads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.